Hey, what's up everybody? Young Flux back for another website tutorial. Today we're going to be working on my Young Flux music website. We're going to be starting with working on the homepage of our website today. And essentially when I developed the pages of a website, I tried to work from the top down. So as you'll see, we've already set our logo here. So the next logical step, if we're working from the top down, will be our website menu here. So that's what we're going to work on first. Alright, so I'm just going to get logged into my WordPress admin panel here, and I'm going to show you guys where you can start to customize your menus for your WordPress pages. Alright, so before we can add the pages to our menu, we obviously have to create the pages first. So in order to do that, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the Pages tab on our WordPress admin panel here, and we're just going to go to All Pages, and that is going to show you a list of all the pages currently on your website. Keep in mind, if you installed a demo theme, that it will come with a lot of pages pre-installed. If not, you likely will only have one page that is called Hello World or something of that sort. Alright, so as I said, the theme comes with a lot of pages pre-installed, so I'm going to look through some of these pages and decide which layout that I would like to use, and I will go through and I'll delete the rest of the pages that I'm not using. This will help speed up my site. You don't really need a bunch of pages on your website that you're not using. It's just going to slow things down. So one of the first pages I'm going to want on the site is of course a blog, or at least a section to display all of my music and all of my latest work. So I'm going to look through some of the blog layouts here and decide which one I want to go with. Alright, so I think we're going to stick with the one that I originally had here, which is the blog grid. So that means all the rest of these blog pages here that I'm not going to be using, I'm just going to check all the boxes to them. And once I have them all checked, I'm going to go into the top left right here, and I'm going to click bulk actions, move to trash, and apply. Keep in mind, doing this will not yet delete the pages, it will just move them to the trash. So if you want to fully delete them, you're going to have to click on trash and delete them from there. It's the same process. Just click on all pages, delete permanently, apply. Alright, so the next page we're going to take a look at here is a contact page. So as you'll see, again, there's a lot of different layouts here for a contact page. If you don't have any pre-installed with your theme, just click add new in the top here and just create a blank page called contact. You don't need to create anything on the page yet, just create the blank page and publish it to your website. This is just so we can add it to the menu. Alright, so the contact page I'm going to go with in this case is the Contact Classic. So I'm just going to go through and again delete the rest of these contact pages that I don't need. Alright, so now I'm going to take a look at some of the templates for the shop pages here, and we're going to decide which one of those I want to use. Again, if you don't have a shop page yet on your website, just create a blank page titled shop and publish it to your page. You don't have to edit the page yet. Alright guys, so I've chosen the shop grid as the shop page that we're going to be using, so let's add all these pages to the menu and see what we've got so far. So in order to add all the pages to the menu, we're going to go back to our admin dashboard here, and on the left side we're going to go under Appearance and we're going to click Menus. And actually an alternative and probably better way to do this is, while logged in as a WordPress admin, go to Visit Site, click on Customize, and from here you can also edit the menu, but from here you can see your changes live, so it's probably a bit better to do it from here. So I'm going to go ahead and choose my primary menu here, and we're going to start adding some of the pages that we just created. So I'm going to remove all the ones that I don't want first, and we're just going to click Add Items. From there we're going to add these pages that we just chose. So I wanted the blog grid as my blog page, shop grid as a shop page, and we're also going to add in our contact page. Alright, so we're going to choose custom links, and we're going to type in the URL of the page that we're trying to link to. Then for the link text here, this will be the text that it displays in your menu. Likewise, we're going to go back over to our menu here, and we're going to edit the names of all of these. Alright, so now the names of the pages are just blog, shop, contact, beats. We're going to drag these up and down to reorder them. And we're just going to click on publish here and make sure that our changes went through and see how it looks. Alright, so for now that's all the pages that I want on this website. Make sure that you guys just repeat that process for any pages that you guys want on the site as well. If you have any questions on this, I can make a more in-depth tutorial on WordPress menus. If not, I'm going to be working on developing the homepage in future videos, so make sure you guys come back for those. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. My name's Young Flux. You're watching SBO Studio, and come back for next video. Thanks guys. Peace.